Hey everyone, I am Shomi and welcome to my channel. Today I am creating this red bold lips soft look. So let's get started. Apply your regular moisturizer and massage gently. Prime your face before applying makeup helps to minimize pores and even out your skin tone. So before proceeding to my main makeup, I would like to tell you that skin preparation before any makeup is very important. How do you clean your face, your skin hydration, skin moisturization, these all things are important. Depending on all those things, your makeup will stay for longer period. It would not look cakey, it will set properly, rather it would look more natural. Today I have washed my face with Sirona Hydrating Face Wash. Sirona is a very well-known brand for feminine hygiene products, and now I am using their skincare range. It has Tasmanian pepper fruit, red aloe vera, marshmallow root extract and hyaluronic acid. Now we all love products with hyaluronic acid, right? And this is for normal, dry and sensitive skin. No SLS, SLES, no parabens, no mineral oil, no color and no formaldehydes. I think we are going to love it. This is 125 ml tube and price is rupees 349 and shelf life is 24 months. Apply a small amount on the face and rub gently in a circular motion. This hydrating face wash is perfect for daily use. It helps your skin to retain moisture, repair skin's natural protective barrier and improves plasticity. Hyaluronic acid provides a good multi-level hydration. Now my face is properly cleansed and it's soft and supple. For multi-level hydration, I am using Sirona Hydrating Face Serum. It has also hyaluronic acid, Tasmanian pepper fruit, salicylic acid and red aloe vera. Now red aloe vera is something very interesting. I am also using any product with red aloe vera for the first time. This is also for normal, dry and sensitive skin. It comes in a very nice paper cardboard box which protects the glass bottle inside. I find the packaging is very premium and I like the glass bottle also. This is 50 ml bottle and price is rupees 699 and shelf life is 2 years. No SLS, SLES, no mineral oil, no color and no formaldehydes. Take required quantity of the serum and massage until completely absorbed. The serum is very lightweight and as this is a water-based serum, it absorbed very quickly and now I can feel that my skin is plump, soft and supple. Another very handy Sirona product I want to mention is Blink and Glow Facial Razor. This is something like this. It is for your forehead hair, eyebrows, upper lips and facial hair. Comes inside this pack, 3 piece. Price is rupees 275. I'm going to show you how you can use it, and this will be very helpful for those who struggle a lot with their facial hair. No more waxing, threading or salon visit. It has a good anti-slip grip handle, protective lock cap for stainless steel blade. Clean and moisturize the area to be shaved. Never ever apply the razor on your dry skin. I am applying aloe vera gel today. Now carefully glide the blade in small strokes. Please be careful. Wash the blade after use, let it dry and put the cap back on. Please check the link in description box to buy the products, and don't forget to use the code SIRONA2001 to get extra 15% discount. I just love this deep hydration healthy glow skin combo, and I keep them in my beauty bag all the time. Let me get back to my makeup. I am applying very little foundation today. Spread evenly with a damp beauty blender. Actually, I should remove my neck piece while I am applying my makeup, but I just don't want to remove and then again wear. That's why I'm just keeping like this. But you do not wear any jewelry while you apply your makeup. As this is a full coverage foundation I am using the same foundation as concealer. Please keep watching to get the final look. If you want to watch more videos like this, please like, comment and share the video, and do subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon to get notifications for all new videos. Setting the base with compact on T-zones. Filling my eyebrows with small strokes for more natural look. For soft look, do not use black eye pencil, rather use light brown pencil. Adding falsies to your eyes will give you an extra dimension. I am only drawing a very thin line of eyeliner just to match the falsies, no thick line or anything dramatic. Do follow me on Instagram, you'll find my IG handle on the screen. So here is the final look. Hope you like this look. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in my next video.